Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Volkswagen Caddy van, stock reference number 3946. This shape runs from the 12th month 2004 through to the 6th month 2015. It has a BLS 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by JPH automatic front-wheel drive transmission. BLS 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We've got the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey centre console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, single stack CD player, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, rear headrests and a rear seat, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.